Welcome to Iron Trade International. If you're looking for a reliable and efficient courier service from Thailand to Bangladesh, you've come to the right place. At Iron Trade International, we specialize in providing top-notch air cargo services for a variety of Thai products, ensuring timely and secure delivery. Imagine your business stocked with high-quality ladies' dresses, cosmetics, perfumes, shoes, caps, and wallets from Thailand. Our air shipment services ensure these products reach you swiftly and safely. Whether you need electronics like TVs, ACs, fridges, ovens, pressure cookers, or blenders, we handle it all. Our efficient air cargo services streamline the import process, so you don't have to worry about delays or complications. We handle all the logistics, from loading the products at Thailand's airports to ensuring they arrive in perfect condition in Bangladesh. At Iron Trade International, we take pride in our commitment to quality and reliability. Our clients have experienced significant growth and satisfaction thanks to our timely deliveries and excellent service. Opportunities don't happen, you create them. Partner with Iron Trade International to create profitable import opportunities from Thailand to Bangladesh. We guide you every step of the way, ensuring your business thrives. For more information, contact us today. Let's turn your import aspirations into reality together.